I am with my girls at the Orange County shelter, and this is a place where we got Rosalie and Russell from. And once in a while we come here and give these dog treats and pet them and tell them how wonderful and gorgeous they are. Right behind me is Susie, and she's a 3-year-old pit bull, and look how cute she is. Look at they, and they want to have a treat. I know they want to have a treat. Can you treaty? Yeah? No? Yeah? And that's Chico, and he is a beagle mix. He's 4 years old and 2 months, and look how adorable he looks. Oh. And this is a 4-year-old terrier mix. You're such a pretty one. And this one is 4 years old and doesn't have a name either. And this is Sugar. Sugar is 2 years old and he is a Chihuahua mix, and look how adorable Sugar is. It is so important to give them a treat and tell them what good boys or girls they are, and just to make them feel important and loved, and it's not their fault whatever happened to them. Lonnie is a pit bull and she is 4 years old. She is drop dead gorgeous. And look at our Liesel. She's 3 years old. And there's a treat for Liesel. She's such a good dog. This is Duchess, and she is 3 years and 1 month old. Such a good dog. And this is a 9-year-old Chihuahua mix. 9 years and so much energy. And no name. But I will name you Buddy. You're my buddy. This is McGuire, a Chinese Shar-Pei. We had a Chinese Shar-Pei. And this is Channing, a pit bull terrier. Do you want to have a treat? Do you want to have a treat? And this is Pinky. She's a 3-year-old pit bull, and she is such a pretty girl. She still looks like a puppy. Oh, such a good dog. And they have bunnies too. They are absolutely adorable. Yes, you are adorable. Yes, you are.
I think I'm the treat.
Yeah. What are you saying? Look how pretty you are.
Isn't it funny how pigeons just change?
Hey, you.
What am I?
Hey. I think they like you, isn't? When I was a kid, I always had bunnies, and I taught them to walk after me just like dogs. They're so smart. You get the last piece, Jackson. Yes, you get the last piece. And this is a 7-year-old Cocker Spaniel. What is your name? And your name is Prince. Yes. Oh, and there's a Siberian Husky and he wants to get out. I know. He wants to get out. I know. Oh yes, look at that.
You like to sleep? Oops, sorry, did I scare you?
You guys are sleepy?
Oh, he's
Guy wants to play?
oh my gosh!
Is somebody adopting her?
No, I just took her out on a walk right now.
Okay.
Come on, let's go back. Come on.
She's so lucky she has you guys. You guys are so amazing.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know how you can work here. It's so heartbreaking.
I know. Honestly, it really is. You just kind of have to set those thoughts aside. And
So I'm
just,
sitting here. I'm sitting here because I'm just heartbroken right now. I adopted 2 dogs here.
oh, you did? Oh,
Yes, I did.